Right guys, welcome back to another video. You would have seen in the last video we've done the rear elevation. Still need to change a few bits on the valley and on the top, but today we're going to be stripping the front and removing all the tiles.
Right guys, before we start I'm going to show you what the roof currently looks like. So we've done this gable end over here and this gable end, is that called a gable end?
That's the thing.
Hip end. So yeah, we're just going to start taking them off and see where we get to. It's the weather's not the greatest today, but is where it is, and I'm full up with a cold, so yeah, see how we get on, but it's got to be done before the winter comes.
Right guys, so all the tiles are off now. I'm going to go over that side now, walk up on my circuit saw, just nip all the battens roughly back where I need them. We strip all the battens off, start felting and battening. Obviously we're going to take the fascia off as well. As you can see over there, that's rotten as hell. We've had loads of damp issues where you can see all the felt rotten and the water's dripped down behind it. So all the fascia and sockets coming off. Gutters coming off, and then we'll start felting and battening.
And here's the halfway line, guys, so we've been really careful over here to make sure that we don't damage obviously any of next door's tiles. And then we're going to be putting a dry valley in, dry verge, dry something.
Right guys, so I'm about to start putting this bonding gutter tray in, dry fixed. So all I've done now is, before I took the tiles off on the joint line, is I've not done pencil mark all the way, so that's where the edge of my tile needs to come from. And I just need to measure back from the edge to this first ridge for the batten, which is 70mm, and that's where I'm going to cut my battens here, 70mm all the way, and I can do a support underneath to support this tray. We did have to sweep the roof off because when we took the chimney down there was black ash mould everywhere, cleaned a bit of moss off as well, so we give this a rinse down once we've got it all in, just to make sure the gutters are clear. So that's what I'm going to do now, short line from bottom to top, the 70mm back, cut it all out, support all underneath, put some more felt in, put some more gutter in, and we're done.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the
Right guys, so we've got the bonding gutter in. All I need to do now is just sort out the batten glue because there's nothing fixed to it. So just sort of pack that all up. Once I've got that fixed, I can then put all the tiles in. I'm going to fix everyone in to make sure they're not going anywhere. But as you can see, it's going to be a nice straight line over here. And then we can start getting our cuts and everything ready when we eventually rebatten everything. Right guys, so I just had to do a mission all the way into the attic. I dropped my hammer straight down into the lock, so I had to go up through the door and grab it. But as we ripping this off, Natasha's seen all this fascia is absolutely rotten. Some of these are starting to soak up moisture. So it's a good job of changing the roof. We've also got a random rattle cut short there, so we'll have to sort that out when it comes to it. But we're going to carry on stripping off and try and get the felt back and batten back on tonight because we are both knackered.
Right guys, so we got all the felt and the batten off. We now need to take off the guttering and the fascia because it's all rotten. And then gonna attempt to try and put the felt and batten back on, Rhys. No?
Next step, guys, is when you stick our 6x2s, new rafters in up to the purlin. And then from there I can put in our skylights framework and we felt and batten over and then put a skylight in another day.
In the next video I will show how I framed out and installed the Velux. But for this video I'm just going to carry on felt and battening straight over the opening.
Guys, so the glamorous life of living on a building site.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
Right guys, this is how it's looking so far. Managed to put these battens on here, and then Rhys and my dad are over here now, just sorting out this side, which we've put nice and neat. And then we're gonna keep going up on this side and then eventually come back down here. But yeah, looking good, no, Rhys?
Yep.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
In one of our posts on Instagram and TikTok, people were saying instead of using spacing battens, we should use a chalk line and snap a chalk line. We did use the chalk line on the front elevation and we were finding it a lot slower and a lot harder than using the spacing battens. The reason they said to use a chalk line is because sometimes battens can vary in thickness and it might throw your gauge out slightly. So if you're over on TikTok or Instagram, give us a little search. It's selfbuild_the_Jenkins. Here you'll find us giving tips and tricks to help with your own personal self-build.
Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Right guys, so we've pretty much battened the whole lot out. And the next step is to put the battens in for the hips and the ridge. So we're just going to work that out because I've never done this before. So it's saying to do 2 battens. We'll start with 1, put another one on, and then see how we go from there. Probably shouldn't need 3, but we should be alright with 2.
Right guys, so we finished this side. We are just finishing up here. We have these last battens to put in here, and then we're going to call her a night.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it.
Okay guys, so it's the end of Sunday, about 6 o'clock, sun's setting. We've managed to get it all battened out, some of the ridge battens on, all the battens on the valley are done. A bit messy in here, I just need to sort that up with the felt. Took it all the way across and then down the other side, and that's the valley there. So we've accomplished it over one weekend, strip off and put back on. Bit slow, but it's done now. Both knackered. Natasha's still ill. I'm feeling a bit ill, so have a nice early night and a clean up.
Thanks for watching the video. If you are enjoying this content, remember to give us a like and give us a comment, and make sure you're subscribed. We'll see you in the next one.